Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Key and Dev. It is very tough to make little kids study at home. So this is one of the games that I use at home to make Dev study. It's a magnetic slate and it consists of all the alphabets and the numbers. I have asked Dev to write cat. So he's looking for the alphabets C, A and T. Next word is pig. P-I-G. So the next is Dev is finding all the numbers from 1 to 10. Bag.
Go. Big. Bo.
O.
Go. Bug.
Very good.
Go. O. Jo.
Go.
Jug.
B or G.
Bomb.
Thank you for watching our video. If you like our concept, please like our video and subscribe to our channel.